A lot of people have been asking, what should go in the social media profile of my business? There's actually a lot of things you can do on your pages and profiles to increase sales and get people to do what you want. I'm gonna get you started on it right now. Let's get into it. Hey, what's up, busy people? Welcome to 5-Minute Social Media, where we help overwhelmed business owners become streamlined entrepreneurs, getting them way more results without all of the chaos and work and wasted time that can come with social media. If that sounds like something you'd like in your business, take a second, hit subscribe, click that bell. That way you'll be notified each week when we release another helpful video. My name is Jerry Potter. Yes, it rhymes with the boy wizard. And today we're outside and we are talking about what it is that should go in your social media profile or on your page for your business. And I'm gonna break down 3 things that you should definitely have. Now, these should be the first 3 things that they should have. And if you wanna go deeper and really set up your pages and profiles properly, I'll tell you how we can go a little deeper at the end of this video, okay? First thing that you need to make sure that your business profile or page has is, and this is gonna sound really obvious, telling people what you do. Now, I know that sounds super obvious and you're like, well, yeah, but a lot of times I don't see people doing this. So here's what you wanna think about. Every one of our businesses solves a problem for somebody. So it may not just be putting your title there, like I'm a real estate agent, although that can work for real estate, I suppose. It's gonna be, what is the problem that you solve? Because all businesses are solving a problem for somebody. I need a shirt. Oh, you sell shirts. Great. I need somebody to sell me a car. Oh, you sell cars. Great. I need a life coach. Oh, you're a life coach. Great. So think about what the problem you solve is, and then make sure it's super clear. So when somebody lands there, they don't have to click on your about page. They don't have to read deep in your bio if it's a Facebook business page or anything like that. They can literally, within 3 seconds, let's say, of landing on your Instagram profile or wherever, know exactly what the problem that you solve is in your business. All right, the second thing that you need on your business pages and profiles that's so important is you've got the problem you solved. Why are you different from all the other people out there? And maybe you do something really unique, but I'm guessing that even if you feel like you're the only one that does that, there's probably other people who solve the same problem with a different solution. So for example, I see there's this spa up here and they're advertising eyebrow threading. So maybe you're an eyebrow waxer and they are an eyebrow threader. So those are, again, 2 different solutions to the same problem. Monobrow, right? Too much eyebrow for what the person wants. So make sure you kind of say why you're different, or if you have trouble with that, just say, why are you awesome? You know, I call that sometimes the awesome quotient. Tell people why you're awesome. All right, the third thing that you need to make sure your business pages and profiles have is what you want the person to do next. And it needs to be the one thing that you want them to do next. Because sometimes it's like, click to my website, give me a call, book a discovery call, download this free thing, buy something, get a coupon. So what one thing, because people are busy, what one thing do you want them to do? And it might be just that you want them to follow you. So say, hey, follow me for this. Or maybe you want them to send you a private message. Whatever it is, figure out the one thing that you want them to do and make sure it's very clear. So when they get there, they're like, oh, this looks great. They don't have to scroll, they don't have to click your about page if you're talking about that on a Facebook business page, for example. Like, it's clearly there, like, oh, here's where I book my discovery call, okay? All right, now if you're the type of person that works hard on social media, or you're gonna start working hard on social media for your business, then you're gonna wanna make sure that you don't just have those 3 things, that you have all the things to properly set up your pages and profiles. I'm teaching a workshop, it's called Profitable Pages and Profiles. I had so many people asking me, what are you doing? Why do your followers become buyers? And so I'm teaching it in this workshop. I've priced it to be super affordable, but you need to hurry and click the special link in the description of this video to get a special price, okay? Click it. I would love to see you in Profitable Pages and Workshops. If this video was helpful, give it a like, leave a comment. You're not only supporting me, but also my 2 tiny superheroes at home. And if you're looking for more help growing your business with social media, check out the video on the screen right now.